In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort mails by date in Outlook. We'll do this in the web version of Outlook, and I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. Once Outlook loads, make sure you're in the Mail section, then click Inbox so you can see your list of messages. Now let's change how your emails are ordered. At the top of the message list, look for the Sort control. Depending on your layout, it might show as the word Sort, a small arrow icon, or sit next to a filter button. Click it to open the sorting options. From the list, choose Date. This tells Outlook to arrange your emails strictly by when they were received or sent. With Date selected, you can decide the order that works best for you. Choose Oldest on top if you want to work chronologically from earlier messages to newer ones. This is great when you're catching up after time away, because it keeps the context in order as you go down the list. If you prefer to see the freshest messages first, choose Newest on top. That keeps your latest emails pinned to the top, so you can respond to current items right away. A few helpful notes as you do this. Changing the sort doesn't move, archive, or delete anything. It simply rearranges your view. You can switch between oldest and newest at any time, and Outlook will remember your preference for that folder. If Conversation View is turned on, messages may be grouped by thread, but the ordering still follows the most recent date within each conversation. If you use Focused Inbox, the sort order applies to both the Focused and Other tabs. If you don't see the sort menu, try widening your browser window, or collapsing the reading pane so the toolbar is visible. Also, make sure you're looking at the inbox itself and not a temporary search results view, where the toolbar may appear slightly differently. To confirm your setting, glance at the timestamps. With Newest on top, you should see today's or the most recent dates first. With Oldest on top, you'll see the earliest dates at the top. To recap in one flow, go to Google, search for Outlook, open the official site, click Inbox, click the Sort control, choose Date, and then pick Oldest on top or Newest on top, whichever fits your workflow. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, easier to scan inbox.